Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain why the USSR gave up Sinkiang. We'll explore the historical context of Soviet involvement, examining how their influence grew in the region. Then, we'll delve into the specific reasons that prompted their eventual withdrawal. Finally, we'll discuss the lasting impact of this decision on both the region and broader international relations. Let's get started. For many years, the Soviet Union exerted considerable influence over Xinjiang, also known as Sinkiang. They provided crucial military and economic assistance to local leaders, notably warlord Chiang Kai, helping him maintain control. This support included stationing Soviet troops, establishing a secret police force, and even promoting the Russian language. Xinjiang essentially became a Soviet-aligned territory, rich in natural resources that interested Moscow. The geopolitical landscape shifted dramatically with the rise of the Chinese Communist Party. As the Chinese Civil War concluded, the Soviets faced a new reality. While they had previously supported local rebels and even the East Turkestan Republic, their relationship with Mao Zedong was complex. Stalin viewed Mao primarily as a Chinese nationalist, not a fully loyal communist. This distrust, coupled with China's resistance to Soviet demands for extensive economic privileges in Xinjiang, created a difficult situation for Moscow. Ultimately, the Soviet Union decided to withdraw its direct influence, allowing Xinjiang to be integrated into the newly formed People's Republic of China. This decision was influenced by the evolving Sino-Soviet relationship, which eventually led to a significant split between the two communist powers. The Soviets, facing a strong and unified China, found it increasingly difficult to maintain their previous level of control. This marked a pivotal moment for Xinjiang, firmly placing it under Chinese sovereignty. For more great deals and to check out those leak-proof containers, please see the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.